Welcome to another episode of Should You Take That Case with your host, Lisa Wade, your friendly neighborhood legal nurse consultant, owner of Wade Nurse Consultants, and creator of our private LinkedIn community, the Attorney Medical Record Resource Group. That is where we get all of our stellar attorney guests. The goal of our show is to be a resource for legal professionals who pursue medical cases by sharing their experience and insights as defense or as plaintiff attorneys. You can catch prior episodes at www.wadenurseconsultants.com/blog, on LinkedIn and on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and more. Now here's the host of Should You Take That Case, Lisa Wade.
Hello there. Welcome to another Medical Monday and a brand new episode of Should You Take That Case? Well, you heard the goal of our show is to be a resource for legal professionals like yourselves who pursue medical cases by sharing their experiences and insights as defense or as plaintiff attorneys. It's still me, your host, Lisa Wade, friendly neighborhood legal nurse consultant, owner of Wade Nurse Consultants, and creator of our LinkedIn group, the Attorney Medical Record Resource Group. That's where we get all of our wonderful attorney guests. And we use this as an opportunity to get to know each other. And our plan was to do that today with Kenneth Esehak from New York, but Kenneth, unfortunately, is not able to be with us today. So what we're going to do is what we always do, turn this show into a legal nurse consultant Q&A day. And I'm here available for anybody who is catching us live or on the replay. You're going to put your questions in the comment box, and you're going to ask me all of those questions that I can answer about legal nurse consulting. But before we get that done and get started, we're going to scoot over to the comment section and see if anybody is visiting us live today. If you are an attorney, put an A into that chat. If you are a paralegal, put a P. If you are part of a wonderful group, which I love, Women-Owned Law, put a W in that chat, because Women-Owned Law is a wonderful, groundbreaking group created to connect and advance women legal entrepreneurs. And recently, I was chosen to be on the board of Women-Owned Law, and I'm really excited to get going and grow this wonderful group nationwide. So visit us at womenownedlaw.org if it sounds like an organization you can get behind. Now, let's see. Do we have any questions yet? Any of those legal nurse consulting questions? Because I'm ready to answer them. And right now, none, not yet. But while you are getting your questions together and getting ready to put them into the comments box, I'm going to do what I usually do, a little sponsor break, and tell you a little bit about Wade Nurse Consultants and what we do. Everyone is not always completely clear about what legal nurse consultants do, so I'm going to make that clear for all of you today. At Wade Nurse Consultants, it's all about review, research, and roadmaps. When we review medical records, we summarize and translate that information into normal human language that's easily understood by judges and juries. When we research, we complete medical literature searches regarding topics attorneys may not be completely familiar with. And we also locate experts that could be testifying experts in those cases that could support that attorney's litigation. And when we create roadmaps for injured clients, We do that in the form of life care plans that are detailing their future medical needs over their lifetimes, including estimated costs of care. And to recap, legal nurse consultants at Wade Nurse Consultants, for them, it is all about review, research, and roadmaps. And now we're offering a 15-minute medical case strategy call. Click the link that you will find inside the description box of this YouTube channel and schedule a consultation. And now let's get back to our legal nurse consulting Q&A. All right, let's see if we have any questions yet. No questions yet, but I have a solution for that as always. You will find in the description box of this YouTube channel all of my contact information. And what you do is reach out to me here at lisa@wadenurseconsultants.com and ask me that question and I will answer it. Also visit us at wadenurseconsultants.com. Get to our website. But I can answer the question that I'm most often asked. And that question is, Lisa, do you complete medical chronologies from medical records? And the answer is yes. We can do that for personal injury, medical malpractice attorneys, disability attorneys, and we can complete that in a timely fashion, and that helps organize all of those pages of records. It could be thousands of pages into something clear, easy to read, and easy to understand, and that encompasses all of your clients' injuries and treatments all in one small, concise timeline. So that's what we can do for you at Wade Nurse Consultants. Also, you might be having this question. I know Kenneth wasn't able to be with us today, but we will reschedule and have Kenneth on at another time. You might want to know how you could be a guest on Should You Take That Case. And let me just show you real quick that you could definitely be our next attorney guest on Should You Take That Case. And the best way to do that is visit our private LinkedIn community, the Attorney Medical Record Resource Group. Just look us up in LinkedIn. You'll find us, click that button and request to join, because that's the first step on becoming a guest on our show. We've got to get you into the group because our guests, all of our guests, are members of our private LinkedIn group. So first step to becoming a guest on our show, come and find us on LinkedIn and join us. And once you're in, you can get scheduled for your appearance. Sound like a plan? I think that's good. So we'll stop sharing now. And we'll check one more time to see if we have any legal nurse consulting questions today. And the answer is not yet. But as always, you'll find my contact information inside the description box of this YouTube channel. And you can email me anytime and I can answer your questions, your medical record questions, your expert location questions, your medical terminology questions. Just drop me an email and I can answer that for you. So since we don't have any questions today, I think we're going to wind up a little early. And I just want to remind everybody to like our show, subscribe to this YouTube channel, Lisa Wade LNC. That's our channel. Reach out to me at lisa@wadenurseconsulting.com or wadenurseconsultants.com. If you have any questions, email me. And get ready to watch us next week. Come back Monday, 5:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for a brand new episode of Should You Take That Case?
Thanks for watching and listening to another episode of Should You Take That Case with your host, Lisa Wade, your friendly neighborhood legal nurse consultant, owner of Wade Nurse Consultants, and creator of our private LinkedIn community, the Attorney Medical Record Resource Group. That is where we get all of our stellar attorney guests. The goal of our show is to be a resource for legal professionals who pursue medical cases by sharing their experiences and insights as defense or as plaintiff attorneys. You can catch prior episodes at www.wadenurseconsultants.com/blog, on LinkedIn, and on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and more. Thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel and sharing this show with others.